Hello online masters, welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting tutorial on setting up and optimizing Google Ads. In the digital marketing landscape, Google Ads play a crucial role. They help businesses reach a broader audience, drive more traffic, and ultimately increase sales. If you're just starting your advertising journey, or if you're an old hand looking to fine-tune your campaigns, stick around. This video is for you. We'll walk you through the entire process. First, let's start with the basics. How to create a Google Ads account. It's simpler than you might think, really. Just head over to the Google Ads homepage and click on Start Now. You will be prompted to sign in with your Google account. If you don't have one yet, no worries, you can create one in just a few steps. Once you've signed in, you'll be asked to set up your first campaign, but we'll get to that in a moment. Now let's familiarize ourselves with the Google Ads interface. It may seem a bit overwhelming at first, but once you understand its structure, it's a breeze to navigate. The main menu is located on the left side of the screen. Here you'll find the sections for campaigns, ad groups, settings, and tools. On the right side, you have a panel that displays detailed data about your campaigns. But remember, you can always customize this panel to only show the data you find most relevant. Next, we need to set up account preferences and billing. Click on the wrench icon in the upper right corner and select Billing and Payments. Here, you'll enter your payment information and choose your billing country. Be aware that once you set your billing country, it cannot be changed. You'll also set your time zone and currency here. Now, let's dive into campaign types. Google Ads offers several campaign types, each designed to help you reach specific goals. There's search network campaigns, which show your ads on Google Search and other Google sites when people search for terms related to your keywords. Display network campaigns, on the other hand, allow your ads to appear on Google's partner websites. Shopping campaigns are perfect if you're an online retailer, as they show your products directly in the Google Shopping tab. Video campaigns let you run video ads on YouTube and other Google Display Network sites. And lastly, app campaigns, which are designed to get more people to download your app. Understanding the different campaign types and when to use them is crucial for your success. So, in a nutshell, setting up your Google Ads account is a straightforward process. Familiarize yourself with the interface, set up your billing information, and understand the campaign types available to you. With these basics covered, you're well on your way to creating successful ad campaigns. Stay tuned for our next scene, where we'll delve into keyword research and ad grouping, essential tools for targeting your ads effectively. Now that your account is set up, it's time to dig into keyword research. You see, keywords are the backbone of your Google Ads campaign. They're the bridge that connects your ads to your potential customers. In essence, they are the words or phrases that users type into Google when they're looking for products, services, or answers. Therefore, understanding what your target audience is searching for is crucial. So, how do you find these magical keywords? Well, there are numerous tools out there, but Google's own keyword planner is a great place to start. It can show you how often certain words are searched and how those searches have changed over time. It's like having a crystal ball into the minds of your audience. But keyword research isn't just about finding the most popular terms. It's also about understanding the intent behind those searches. Are people looking to buy, or are they just browsing? Are they searching for information, or are they ready to take action? These insights can help you choose keywords that align with your campaign goals. Now, once you have a list of potential keywords, it's time to organize them into ad groups. Think of ad groups as buckets of related keywords. For instance, if you're selling shoes, you might have one ad group for women's shoes, another for men's shoes, and so on. Each ad group should be tightly themed, which means the keywords within the group should be closely related to each other. Why is this important? Well, organizing your keywords into ad groups allows you to create highly relevant ads for each group. This can increase your quality score, a metric Google uses to determine your ad rank and cost per click. Higher quality score often leads to lower costs and better ad positions. In summary, effective keyword research helps you understand what your audience is searching for, and organizing those keywords into ad groups helps you target your ads better. It's a one-two punch that can make your Google Ads campaign a knockout success. With your keywords and ad groups ready, It's time to create your ads. This is where the rubber meets the road, where the magic happens, so to speak. This is the face of your campaign, the first point of contact with potential customers. Therefore, it's crucial to get it right. Let's start with the ad copy. Writing compelling ad copy is an art and a science. It's about understanding your audience, knowing what they want, what they need, and how your product or service can meet those needs. It's about convincing them that you are the answer to their problems. But how do you do that in just a few lines of text? You start with a compelling headline. This is the first thing people see, so it needs to grab their attention. It should be short, clear, and relevant to what the user is searching for. Use your main keyword in the headline to increase relevance and improve your ad ranking. Next is the ad description. This is where you can give more information about your product or service. Highlight the benefits, not just the features. What can your product do for the user? How can it make their life better? And remember to include a clear call to action. Tell the user what to do next. Should they visit your website, call your number, download your app? Make it clear and make it easy. Now let's talk about ad extensions. These are additional pieces of information that you can add to your ad to make it more useful and enticing. They can include things like your business's location, phone number, additional links to your website, and more. Why are ad extensions important? They provide additional ways for potential customers to interact with your ad. Someone might not be ready to click on your ad and make a purchase right away, but they might be willing to call your number to ask a question or visit your physical store to check out your products in person. By providing these additional options, you increase the chances of engagement and ultimately conversion. Ad extensions also make your ad bigger and more prominent, which can help it stand out in the crowded search results page. And the best part, most ad extensions don't cost extra. You only pay when someone clicks on them, just like with the main ad. So to sum up, write compelling ad copy that speaks to your audience's needs and desires, and use ad extensions to provide more ways for them to interact with your ad. And remember, creating effective ads is not a one-time task. It's an ongoing process of testing, learning, and optimizing. So don't be afraid to experiment with different headlines, descriptions, and ad extensions to see what works best for your audience. Ad extensions can greatly enhance your ads and increase click-through rates, so don't overlook them in your ad creation process. With the right ad copy and the strategic use of ad extensions, you can create effective ads that not only attract attention, but also drive action. Now that your ads are ready, let's talk about bidding and budgeting. Bidding and budgeting are two vital aspects of any successful Google Ads campaign. They determine how much you're willing to pay for each click on your ad and how much money you're ready to spend overall. Let's dive into bidding strategies first. Google Ads offers several bidding strategies, each designed to help you achieve a specific goal. For instance, if your aim is to increase website traffic, you might use the cost per click or CPC bidding strategy. This strategy lets you set a maximum price for each click your ad receives. On the other hand, if you're more interested in visibility and brand awareness, the cost per thousand impressions or CPM strategy might be your best bet. With CPM, you pay for every 1,000 times your ad appears, regardless of how many clicks it gets. Another strategy is the cost per acquisition or CPA, which is ideal if your goal is to increase conversions. With CPA, you pay for each action a user takes on your website after clicking your ad, like making a purchase or signing up for a newsletter. Choosing the right bidding strategy depends largely on your campaign goals, so it's essential to define these clearly before you set up your campaign. Now let's move on to budgeting. Your budget is the amount you're willing to spend on your ad campaign over a specific period. You can set a daily budget, which is the average amount you're willing to spend each day, or a campaign budget, which is the total amount you're willing to spend for the entire duration of the campaign. Remember, your budget should not only be affordable but also realistic. It should be large enough to enable your ads to compete effectively, but not so large that it strains your resources. A handy tip when setting your budget is to start small. Monitor your campaign's performance, and if you see positive results, you can gradually increase your budget. Budget management is also crucial. You need to monitor your spending regularly to ensure you're not overshooting your budget. Google Ads provides detailed reports that can help you track your spending and make necessary adjustments. Finally, keep in mind that bidding and budgeting are not set in stone. As you gain more insights into your campaign performance, you can tweak your bidding strategy and budget to maximize your results. Choosing the right bidding strategy and managing your budget effectively is crucial for the success of your campaign. So take the time to understand these aspects thoroughly and don't be afraid to experiment until you find what works best for you. Now that your campaign is live, it's time to optimize it. The beauty of digital marketing is its inherent ability to provide real-time data. This data allows you to adjust your campaign on the fly, and that's what we call optimization. First, let's talk about analytics. Google Ads provides a wealth of information about your campaign's performance. You can track everything from click-through rates to conversion rates and even the average cost of each conversion. But the real trick is knowing how to interpret this data. Are your ads performing better at certain times of the day? Are certain keywords driving more conversions? The answers lie in your analytics. Use this information to tweak your campaign and make it more effective. Next, we have A/B testing. This is essentially an experiment where you compare two versions of your ad to see which one performs better. You might change the headline, the call to action, or even the color of your ad. Then, you let both ads run simultaneously and see which one gets more clicks or conversions. A/B testing is a powerful tool because it allows you to make data-driven decisions about your ads. Remember, even a small change can make a big difference in your campaign's performance. Finally, let's talk about negative keywords. These are words or phrases that you don't want your ad to show up for. For example, if you're selling high-end furniture, you might want to add cheap or discount as negative keywords. That way, you won't waste your budget on people looking for bargain deals. Negative keywords help you refine your audience and make sure that your ads are reaching the right people. To add negative keywords, go to the Keywords tab in your Google Ads account, then click on Negative Keywords. From there, you can add words or phrases that you want to exclude from your campaign. Keep in mind that negative keywords can be added at both the campaign and ad group level. So you have the flexibility to tailor your negative keywords to specific aspects of your campaign. Remember, optimization is an ongoing process. It's not something you do once and then forget about. You should always be on the lookout for ways to improve your campaign, whether it's adjusting your bids, tweaking your ad copy, or refining your keyword list. Every little bit helps. So keep experimenting, keep learning, and most importantly, keep optimizing. Negative keywords are essential in optimizing your ad performance and getting the most out of your budget. They allow you to streamline your campaign and ensure that your ads are seen by the most relevant audience. So take the time to review your keyword list regularly and add any necessary negative keywords. It's a small step that can have a big impact on your campaign's success. And there you have it, online masters. You're now equipped with the knowledge to set up and optimize your Google Ads campaigns effectively. From setting up your Google Ads account to conducting effective keyword research, crafting compelling ad copy, managing your budget, and utilizing analytics for optimization. Remember, practice makes perfect. So go ahead, take the plunge and start creating powerful ad campaigns. If you found this tutorial helpful, do like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. If you have any questions or need clarification on any topic we covered, please leave them in the comments section below. We're here to help.